Hello, lovers of rainbows. Prepare to explore the magical world of rainbows, which are nature's most brilliant work of art. Rainbows are a stunning display of science, mystery, and folklore, in addition to being a vibrant sight. We are going to look at 7 fascinating, eye-opening facts about rainbows today that will leave you speechless and wanting more. Well, let's get going. Painting with light. Light dispersion science is the foundation of all rainbows. It's like nature's own prism when sunlight and raindrops collide. Sunlight splits and bends into the beautiful color spectrum that we all are familiar of. With every color on the sky's canvas, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, tells a different story. Double the trouble, double the fun. Have you ever seen double rainbow and been curious about its origins? Double rainbows resemble a unique celestial encore. They happen when light reflects twice inside raindrops, producing a mirrored image with colors reversed. It feels like you are seeing the mischievous twin of the rainbow. Moonbows. Not only rainbows are beautiful during the day, but they also sparkle in the moonlight. When the moon's rays pass through raindrops, they produce moonbows, also known as lunar rainbows, which are subtle silvery arcs in the night sky. This magical show demonstrates that rainbows are not restricted to the length of the day. Chase the rainbow. Is it actually possible to chase a rainbow? Not quite, but the idea is just as exciting as it seems. The key to rainbows is perspective. The rainbows appear to move in response to your movements in relation to the light and raindrops. The next time you find yourself in a downpour, consider pursuing the elusive pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Universe as a kaleidoscope. Rainbows aren't limited to Earth alone. Unbelievably, our solar system has other planets and moons with vibrant arcs of its own. Titan, a moon of Saturn, adds a cosmic twist to our understanding of these natural wonders with its captivating picture of extraterrestrial rainbows created by its methane rain. Mythical rainbows. Throughout history, myths and legends have included rainbows in one way or other. The rainbow was a route connecting earth and the sky in Greek mythology. A rainbow bridge that leads to Asgard is mentioned in the Norse mythology. These folk tales emphasize how people all over the world are drawn to and revere rainbows for their ethereal beauty. The circumhorizontal arcs of fire in the sky. Get ready for the circumhorizontal arc, also referred to as the fire rainbow. This rare phenomena occurs when sunlight interacts with the ice crystals in high altitude cirrus clouds. When sunlight combines with ice crystals in the high altitude cirrus clouds, an unusual occurrence happens. What was the outcome? an amazing blaze of color that appears to ignite the sky, transforming it into a painting of fire and light. Now you know these 7 amazing facts, rainbow enthusiasts. You can see that rainbows are more than just passing a beautiful moment. Our world as varied and interesting as the colors they display exist in the realm of rainbows, ranging from the science of light to the secrets of the cosmic kaleidoscopes and moonbows. The next time you see a rainbow in the sky, keep mind in these bizarre, vibrant details that make rainbows one of nature's most captivating sights. Keep your eyes open and let the rainbows guide you on an adventure of discovery. Keep following your rainbows and appreciating the wonders of our colorful world till the next time. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon and wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye. Have lots of fun and abundance in your life.